Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests. RNA nucleotides consist of a ribose sugar, a phosphate group, and a nitrogenous base, A, U, C, or G. RNA polymerase functions by unwinding DNA, synthesizing a complementary RNA strand through the addition of ribonucleotides. B, the dependent variable is the maximum elongation rate. A missing control for the second experiment is the groups of yeasts. Figure 1 is that the amino acid substitution has no significant effect on the maximum elongation rate of RNA polymerase. A, RNA nucleotides consist of